Alright, y'all, we are going to munch down on some delicioso food that is made by our lovely chef.
Chef boy.
We'll let her go ahead and take the floor and explain what we're about to do.
Hey y'all, I'm Chef Champagne, aka Chef Bordeaux, the dope chef. So we're here to try CBD infused food. So we have the vegan mac, and then we have the fried cauliflower chicken. It's all infused with CBD. It's about 12 give or take milliliters of CBD in each bite. So let's get down and chow.
Yo, everybody knows I do not like vegetables. So I'm gonna give it an honest try.
Oh, he a G. 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 Oh, he a G.
Everything made from scratch. We don't buy no pre-made stuff. You know,
oh, he a G.
This is good, full of flavor, not dry. You taste seasoning, but it's not overpowering the food. Mac and cheese like your mama's.
I've actually been looking for like a good vegan mac and cheese.
This is the first time I've ate.
This is it.
It's the first time I ate some vegetables and it was good. And I've ate a lot of vegan food from a lot of different places. And this is like, I ain't even trying to gas you up shit, but this number one. Cause you got me to really eat the vegetable. I've tried meat replacements and I liked it. But I've yet to try like a vegetable that they try to make a meat taste like meat to be good.
I feel like that says a lot.
We made it, y'all.
It says a lot.
I'm a meat and cheese
I
eater.
converted you, okay? All right, give me my props. I appreciate it.
No, let me try this.
Yeah.
Try this, 'cause I keep eating
Like,
macaroni.
the batter on the cauliflower is so good that I didn't even dip it in the sauce.
What's the process on adding the CBD to?
Okay, so the CBD is infused in there like about 3 or 4 different times. So I soak the cauliflower in seasoning and vegan buttermilk, aka your non-dairy milk of choice with a dash of apple cider vinegar. So you let it marinate you let the cauliflower marinate in there. So I put a couple of drops of CBD in there, and then when I was battering it, I did a 3-step on the batter, and I put CBD in each step. So that's how it's in there. And on the mac and cheese, it's in the cheese sauce. I boiled the noodles in CBD. After I mixed it up, I put some more CBD in there. So it's CBD in a couple of different ways.
Preach it, girl.
I'm feeling it all now. As she was speaking, I was like, oh, I'm feeling it.
Cause low key, this is the best vegan food I've ever had. And I'm not even trying to gas. Like real life. They gon' see
I'm
it.
leaning.
Oh, he a G. Oh, he a G.
For real.
But look at his bite.
Y'all missing out.
He got like a couple more bites left.
I ain't talking to nobody. I'm elbowing her half the time. Trying to get to my plate.
I'm gonna be like, it's cool. It's alright, you hold it.
What you got coming up, Chef?
So this Friday, I have a dating game. It's called The Hookup, a dating game for the sophisticated. So I'll be serving food there. We're gonna do reverse brunch, and then also I'll have my CBD popcorn and lemonade there.
Yes.
And then Sunday we'll be at a back to school festival with the CBD lemonade and popcorn again. So I'm always on the streets. Y'all hit me up. I'm always doing something. I'm open to do different events. I do meal prep. I do caterings. Whatever you need, I got you.
Hey,
Yeah,
chef,
for
you true.
real.
I ain't killed that. Now that it's gone.
Do what you think. What you think.
Love the batter. I can feel the CBD now. I still have my clarity. It's not like overpowering, go to sleep nighttime. The mac and cheese was outstanding. Not too overpowering, but just a nice pepper on it. Full of flavor, like packed full of flavor. That's the main thing, especially with vegan food. You feel like you're eating cardboard sometimes. But this, full of flavor. Where can they reach you at, Chef?
So you can reach me on my Instagram, which is Chef Bordeaux. So it's CHEFBOYARDOP. Or you can hit my Facebook or my website. It's Dope Foodie Creations with a Z.com. DopeFoodieCreations.com.
She putting the dope in the food. She whipping crack in the whipping it.
My favorite
dope.
part
Put her whole sauce, foot,
right now,
and legs.
Is it hot? Is the sauce hot?
it's
I didn't try
spicy.
You didn't try it?
I didn't try it.
Oh my
It don't
God.
even need it.
Mine
I mean,
didn't
it's
make it
good,
to the
but
sauce bowl.
I love sauce.
this
It's
is
the bomb.
I can eat that on everything.
like
Everything.
fire.
I want this on everything.
On everything.
Oh, I missed out. You ever finish your plate and start looking at other people's plates?
So what you got?
Yeah. You gonna eat your cornbread. We're gonna let them finish up and we'll be right back.
It's your girl Brazil, and we're here with the Gas Gang.
Hi guys, it's your girl Journey, and y'all need to tune in to Gas Gang.
It's your girl Shalon Dundada. I'm with the Gas Gang. Make sure you tune in on Rapid Tat TV.
It's your girl Izzy and you're rocking with the Gas Gang. What's up y'all? It's your girl Sky. You're rocking with the Gas Gang on Rappin' Tat TV.
Hey man, once again, it is your chocolate friend MC the Great, man. Check us out with the Gas Gang on Rapid Tat TV.
Alright guys, we are back, y'all. My stomach is vibrating, it is happy, it is full, but not too full. It was vegan deliciousness, spicy deliciousness, you heard? And my whole body feels so good. Yes, go ahead and have her be your personal chef and make you some vegan food so you can make yourself better and stop going to McDonald's and shit. Okay?
And infused.
Right?
And it's infused.
I make non-vegan food too, but we trying to get y'all on this vegan train though. But either way,
Get 'em
no, I
healthy.
can hook
Get 'em
y'all
right.
up though.
Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. We'll have where you can hit up Chef Wire Dope. That's it for the Gas Gang. Let's go.